मैं एक अजीब डायरेक्टर हूँ जो हिंदी पिक्चर बना रहा हूँ, लेकिन मैं हिंदी में थोड़ा स्ट्रगल करता हूँ।
होमी जी, वेलकम टू इल्यूमिनाटीज बैल्कनी। कैसे हैं आप आज?
बस बहुत खुशी हुई आज मुझे इस बैल्कनी पे
नीचे बैठ के
गुफ्तगू की बात है कि
गुफ्तगू बादल, व्हाट इज गुफ्तगू? No,
गुफ्तगू की बात है
क्या?
अच्छा बताइए, तो आपने इस पिक्चर को अप्रोच कैसे किया?
मेरे घुटनों पे
तो बस आप घुटनों पे आए,
गिड़गिड़ा के
अपने घुटनों पे स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी
जी।
फिर आप गिड़गिड़ आए और पिक्चर बन गई।
ऐसे थोड़ी होगा।
आपकी फेवरेट कौन सी हिंदी पिक्चर है?
जी मेरे इतने सारे फेवरेट है कि मैं एक पे इल्ज़ाम नहीं, मतलब एक चुन के दूसरे को।
आपको इल्जाम पिक्चर कैसी लगी?
टिंकू टैंकी साफ कर, टिंकू कूद के अपनी गाल दे दे, अपनी गाल दे दे।
इस बात पे एक मुहावरा बोलिए।
जब मैं स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ रहा था और जब मैं पेज 32 पे पहुंच गया था, तब मुझे लगा कि अब आया ऊँट पहाड़ के नीचे।
Why don't you say something? परसों जाने का प्लान था।
Are you crazy?
मतलब पिक्चर के 32वें मिनट पे आपको समझ में आएगा कैसे ये ऊँट पहाड़ के नीचे आया।
इसके पहले मैं बैठ के सोच रहा था कि जी बंदर क्या जाने अदरक का स्वाद।
मतलब आप बंदर थे और स्क्रिप्ट अदरक थी और आप स्वाद नहीं समझ सके।
जी,
फिर आपको ये स्वाद किसने समझाया?
जब आप बड़े हो जाएंगे आपको समझ में आएगा।
Beautiful puja in Hyde Park. I think it was quite a unique London moment.
Nice when a hero starts the film with stuffing his face.
Yeah.
Just gives
Yeah.
the film more volume.
Typical. First day, freezing. But I think it's a really great team. I'm happy. Did I just say great?
Super exciting. And very interesting. And yeah, no, check out and see how it looks.
ना सलीम ना, और भी हम इस जमाने में मोहब्बत के सिवा जी लेंगे हम, इस गम को भी जी लेंगे हम।
The whole team was actually rooting for Diana. Wish her luck, wish the film luck, wish Homie luck also. Everybody wish me also luck.
Definitely a very hard day, man. Got a little screwed for time. Obama came in. We've used him as one of the background extras, but then he refused to stay in continuity. So it was a bit tough, but then we've got Anil Mehta who manages to make magic.
बड़ा शॉट है। Just shoot this only.
It's just a 2-minute introduction to Veronica and what her character is all about.
I'm a bad, bad girl.
Pretty good, yeah. Very small scene we were shooting. We just had like really big Ginny boom. We had a crane. We had Peter Hines coming in to do one action shot. I don't think a director can ask for more.
She just walk off and the car comes and crash off. It's just like how we see in life. The more you stretch your hand and you put your full body back, you keep on moving.
Fab, I love it. This is my life. This is what I love doing. I think I was born a stunt woman. Just don't get to do enough of it.
Great start.
But I thought it was the end.
It's the beginning of the end.
It's the beginning of the end.
No, it's been a beautiful start.
Lie together. We are in London, the weather is as erratic as it usually is, and we are still keeping time, so I guess it's a good thing.
Yeah, I think that's the only thing that kind of went against us. We were hoping that the weather was a bit better, but nonetheless, I think we still managed.
I think finally the whole crew and everyone are warming up when we've only got 4 days left. So, but finally they're warming up, so it's good.
Well, I hope Homie makes a comeback. This is his comeback film, and hopefully not only Bombay Gym, but this time even CCI and Mando Gym and Car Gym people will also watch the film.
I always thought completely kind of niche rugby player in charge of the helm of a massive commercial movie, and you know,
And even the Bombay Gym.
you're home. You know, we're set. Nothing can go wrong.
It's so wrong it can't go
It's
wrong.
brilliant. It's a brilliant combination. We search for the God is in the details.
I think it's been fantastic. I don't want this journey to come to an end. I think the London schedule has been great. I don't think any of us want to go back. This is definitely a special film.
Alright, thank you everyone. That was your wrap.
It's been a very easy shoot. Very, very easy. It feels like the first day. Easy as pie.
Actually, it's not a rap. They're lying. It's just to keep the crew at ease.
And of course, then there's the costume department. The party girls.
It's such a pleasure working with him after many years. Traumatized? Did Homie really trouble you? Did Homie trouble you? Seb bullied you? And Deepika was just very annoying? Who was nice? Say, me and me. Momo, your nose survived the trip.
My nose.
Sound designer is as khadus as ever.
So if I just do it once,
Saif and Deepika are now known commodities, but for me the surprise and the pleasure was working with Diana.
Illuminati presents Bombay Arijania film. Cut. Coming soon. I was amazed. I mean, this is like beautiful sets, huge floors, pin drop silence. Their approach to their work in the South is so brilliant. Universal Studios in India.
We are in London, man. This is London. We are riding in Rotting Hill.
now we're waiting for the Chota Nawab to arrive and destroy everything.
I know you want it, but you're never gonna get it. Kabhi na paani.
Sexy, sexy. She got it.
This kind of outfit is actually one of my personal favorites. On women as well. It's called the teddy. I love dressing in like women's clothes. And the best part is wearing heels. Or 6-inch heels.
Saif is a phenomenal dancer. I mean, I have not seen a better dancer in my life. How much I have to lie for him.
But why? I thought I was making sense.
And you move towards her.
The moral of the story is when a director writes someone else's script, don't always trust it.
Come here, you
This is my best work, take it.
Have you met my new girlfriend? It's my new girlfriend.
And this is my nigga. Not a street fight like homie knows how to street fight. So it's not like they know how to like do the punches and fucking thing. So it's gonna be like choreographed and all. He loves this stuff. It's gonna be at like midnight. I've got to intervene, otherwise it's going to be a long night. My girlfriend is in Falaknama, waiting for a romantic dinner. I gotta go. The last day. That's the thing. See this action sequence. It's not Agent Vinod. We have to do it like Gutlu. So it's a little bit confused, a little hatapai and making faces and doing that. Agent Vinod is like a killing machine, man. Don't mess with him. Ganja pika hai? Kya hai wo? Kahan hai wo? It's not ganja pika hai. Ganja pika hai like. यार WhatsApp किधर है वो यार? क्या नाम था? Bye bye. Miss you all. Have a holiday. Yeah.
You will miss her so much.
Yeah. Not that much. Bye. Good. See you. Bye. Thanks, guys. See you soon.
Stand by to shoot. Apart from that, I'm moving down. What else?
Every day, if 9:30 is pack up, he feels the pin
I
and
pack
packs
up
at
at
9:29. Let's make it right. He's done it every time. I'm just surprised. I wish I stay this lucky.
Blah, blah,
See, when you have to
blah.
compromise art for commerce, you'll make pictures. This is why they have a producer and they have a director. Art, commerce.
18 scenes a day, 400 changes. Actors hated us, but it was a good time.
That was awesome.
Hectic.
This for you.
Thank you.
इंटरेस्टिंग डिज़ाइन है होमी को बहुत पसंद है डायरेक्टर होमी
Now I feel like we're done with the major chunk of the film. At least for me, all my major scenes are done, and now Barcelona or wherever we go is just going to be a party for me.
And I feel like I did a pretty decent job, and I had a really good time while doing it. So I'm super happy.
He's great to work with. I hope our company always makes films with Lord Homie, as I call him.
You all don't understand that we are losing time.
Now you have to direct the whole scene like this. You can't take it off.
No, let me just give it a this is now only. It's been a great shoot. I'm a cock and I'm leaving this set. It's a wrap.
Every night, every day, life's a party, come one day. Pretty girls everywhere, music madness fills the air. Thinking about all the fun, that should be the number one.
Town is it's the southern tip of Africa. The dark continent is the sexiest place in the world. It's where the mountains end and the sea begins. The Atlantic Ocean.
I love Cape Town. It's my most favorite city in the world. It's so pretty.
In fact, I find all of Cape Town very spectacular in terms of landscape.
On my first day of shoot, which was like the bikini shoot, we had lovely, amazing weather.
The weather has been a little unpredictable.
5 seconds ago, we had there was a hailstorm, and now the sun is like shining bright. So I think it's nice.
It's too dark. It's too cold. Take a break, everybody. He just told me, he said, it was damn hot yesterday. I came in and you should say it. He said, I took off my t-shirt and my neck is redder than a baboon's ass and my tits are as white like paneer. Hey, that chappals. Oh, fucking no, I don't care about the movie anymore. I'm out of here. God. Fuck that shit. Well, we've got a lot in common, and you know, Miss Hola is one of them.
Hey, that's
What was that? What was that? What was that?
A spider.
Are you serious? Was it a spider? Was it? No, where?
Fuck. Come here. It's a rubber spider.
Oh, I would have died. Okay, but take one more shot like this. Let's do one more.
Now that'll be very cool.
Oh shit!
Don't move. Has anybody seen my spider?
Cape Town skate was quite good actually because everything came together in a quite an effortless way in spite of having all the odds of the weather.
Feels good to finally reach the end. As in, it's a good feeling, but it's also, I think I'll miss it.
Cut!
Stand, please. I touched his balls and he hit me in the head. How did that
Gosh, मैं भी तेरे जैसे होती
I had a wonderful time, and the unit was great, and they were very, very nice to me. They took great care of me, and the place is beautiful. मैं try करती हूँ.
I know. We've got.
Well done.
It's a hug.
Excellent, fantastic, brilliant. Get drunk.
The music of this film entirely, I think we have to thank Mr. Dinesh Vijan for organizing.
I must admit, I sent him out to do a job and he's done it quite well. I'm proud of him. Why didn't you do your job like that? I did my part.
जान भी है लेती यारियाँ छोड़े यारियां ना छोड़े यारियां।
जी हाँ, ये गाना एक अनोखी तरीके से हम कंसेप्चुलाइज किया है।
अनोखे तरीके,
सॉरी, टेक 2। यारियां एक अनोखे तरीके से कंसेप्चुलाइज किया गया है। जो सोच है इस वीडियो के पीछे, एक्चुअली कोई सोच है ही नहीं, परंतु मेरे लाइफ में बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण गाना है।
Once upon a time, long ago.
ओके, वो याद कर रहे हैं, ये वीडियो में वो याद कर रहे हैं कि उनके लाइफ में I can't do it, yeah. I can't believe I made a Hindi movie.
अलविदा यारा अलविदा।
Illuminati Productions, a one-man show.
हो रहे तुमसे हम जुदा, ले चले सारे।
I'm director. Homie's assisting me. Unnecessary shooting it.
खुश रहे यारा तू सदा, तुमसे भी ज्यादा होंगी अब यादें प्यारियां हम दो।
What should the title of this film be if it wasn't cocktail?
Sex, drugs, and rock and roll.
It'll be cheers, mate. खिचड़ी।
भेलपूरी।
हम होंगे कामयाब।
दिल जो न कह सका।
A very complicated love story.
मर्ज भी हैं देती
शराबी पार्ट 2।
नहीं, अच्छी चीज।
दर्द भी हैं देती जान भी हैं लेते यारियां ना छोड़े यारियां।
Jawani Jane Man. Oh, Yariyan. But Yariyan is boring, right? Yarana is a little more fun.
ना छोड़े यारियां, ना छोड़े।
It's an absolute honor and pleasure that I don't know what is happening and he knows what is happening. So what the f is happening?
Jairam ji ki. Great take. I'm saying God. Let's go.
You have no idea what I'm going to do with this film.
That's what an actor should do, is bring out emotion in the director.
Get ready.
I was really touched by the way you directed me. Thank you. I love you all. Miss you all. Thank you. Thank you.
To watch more, log on to www.erosnow.com.